differentiate x squared plus y squared is equal to 81. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung equation natin, involve yung dalawang variable. Unlike sa mga dati kong videos, isa lang yung variable doon, kaya medyo madali. Pag nakakita kayo ng ganito, ang tawag doon ay implicit differentiation. So pag ganyan, we just need to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So ang gagawin natin yan, d over dx, x squared, plus d over dx pa rin, y squared, equals d over dx 81. With respect to x tayo, ha? Okay, so differentiate lang natin to, power rule, that is 2x plus 2y. Multiply natin siya sa dy over dx equals constant number 0. Bakit may dy over dx dito? Since ina-isolate natin yung side na to, yung left side, with respect to x, kailangan natin i-multiply yung 2y sa dy over dx. Para kasi ito yung sinusolve natin yan, dy over dx lang. So, para mangyari yon, labas natin itong 2x, so matitira dito ay 2y, dy over dx equals negative 2x. Tapos, divide both side by 2y para matanggal to. Maka-cancel yan. Ang matitira ay dy over dx equals negative 2x over 2y. Pwede ito makancel, so matitira na lang negative x over y. And that will be your final answer. Madali lang naman to. Nakakalito lang. Bye.